Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create an onboarding email sequence in ConvertKit after purchase of a product. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper, and this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first, just simply create a new sequence by just simply going to the automations, and from there just simply go for sequence and click on a new sequence, and from there just simply name the sequence and just simply create. And now once you have done that, in the left column, just simply add the number of emails that you want in the sequence. And for each email, guys, just simply add the subject line and the content. And from there, just simply link relevant copy to outgoing links within the email, and just simply add a preview text for the pre-header by using the HTML button. And now once you have provided your sequence, guys, just simply click the emails tab and click on add email on the right side of the screen, and just simply repeat the process for each additional email in the sequence. And guys, make sure all the emails are published in order for this to work. So guys, add subscribers to the sequence automatically using a visual automation or automation rule. So you can use a form submission or adding a tag as a trigger for the automation in order for you to automate the sequence. And one thing to optimize the sequence, ensure each email is strategically timed and provides value so you can enhance engagement. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.